Welcome to day 12 of the query folding challenge. For today's challenge, we are to union select a full name column for each unique name in ascending order. The full name field is an alias for the employee and primary contact fields. For this challenge, we're using the wide word importers database, and we're using two tables, the employee and customer table. The employee column comes from the employee table, and the primary contact column comes from the customer table. Let's head over to Power BI. As usual, the first step is to connect to the data source. Then select the database. We are selecting the customer table and the employee table. Click on OK. Click on OK to import. For this for this table, we just need the for the customer table, we just need the primary contact column. We select it and remove other columns and rename this to full name. For the employee table, we need the employee name, so we right click and remove other columns. Rename this to full name. So the next step is to perform a union. We have this names here and we have these names here. So in Power Query, if you want to perform a union, you use append. Whenever you're doing a merge, you're performing a join. But for this particular challenge, we want to perform a union. So we append as new query, customer and employee table. Click on OK. It's important that these two columns that you have in this table are named properly. If they have different names, you are going to end up with two columns and null values. So we rename this to full name table. We uncheck these tables so that we don't want to load it. Let me go to the table, this right here. So we want to take out this NA. So where does not contain an A, taking that out of the query. We want our names to be real names of people. Then we remove duplicates. Let me just make sure that query folding is still working fine. Yep, it's performed. Great. This is union. Yep, that's fine. Then we remove duplicates. After removing duplicates, query folding is working fine. Just perform one more step. As it is, it looks like the values are sorted, but just to be on the safer side, because I just clicked on the wrong button. View query, just to be on the safer side. For the query generated here, I don't see where it says I can't see where it says sort by, so I will just sort these values in alphabetical order, and we have what we need. Now we have our full name. Just close and apply. Load this, or you export this to whatever file you want to use. So, oh, we value cannot be null. So we have some issues here. That means that there are null values in the column. I'll cancel this, wait for this to load, and go back to confirm to put a condition where there are no null values, right? 422 rows. So we'll just go back just to be safe. Just to be safe, we can apply just one more step where we say this value cannot be null. Confirm that query folding is still working fine. Great. Close and apply. So we don't have that error again. And the number of rows is still 422. So I believe that warning was not, I don't know what that warning was for, but at least we've taken the step to make sure that we don't have null values in our column names. Yeah, so that brings us to the end of the challenge for D12. Very simple and straightforward. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video.